this formative assessment. This assessment was challenging. Um, there's a couple of things that you have to know. What I'm going to try and do is I'm going to show you my way, how I see it. I know that that square root and that 3 on the outside confuse a lot of people. So I'm going to show you how to get rid of it and show you what I see with this. And the calculator is limited. It can help you somewhat. All right, let's jump into it. Let's move this calculator out the way. Let's use purple. All right, so what I'm going to do here, I'm just going to rewrite the problem. So I'm going to have, is it 3 on the outside is a to the 6, b to the 9 over negative 64. So what I'm going to do here, now when you have a number on the outside, you can write it as a fractional exponent. You gotta do this a couple of times, guys. It's going to confuse a little people. You're just going to confuse people. So that 3 is on the outside. So what's going to happen? It's going to go in the denominator. And since there's nothing here, so it's going to be 1/3. So the new equation is going to be a to the 6th power, b to the 9th, multiplied by negative 64. And don't forget that fractional exponent is going to be to the 1/3. Now, what I'm going to use the power rule. So the power rule states when everything's bundled up inside the parentheses, you can multiply it to the outside. So you're going to multiply that 1/3 times 6, which is going to be a to the 6 over 3. That's what over there. Now, that 1/3 can multiply to the b because it's the power of the whole thing. So that 9 times 1/3, 9 times 1 is 9. And 3 times 1, because remember, the denominator of a whole number is a 1. So the 3 stays there. Now be careful of this right here. This is why I'm going to use a calculator. Now 1/3, what that means, what number that you multiply 3 times to give you that negative 64. So I'm going to pull up the calculator. So I'm going to pull up the calculator here. And then I'm going to put negative 64. And then I'm going to hit that arrow up here. So I'm going to hit that arrow. And then alpha, which is here. Y equals, which is top right there. Then hit that fraction, the first one. And then I'm going to hit 1 over 3. And then as you can see, actually I don't think you can see it. Move this calculator. Is negative 4. So you're going to have negative 4 here. Okay? Not done yet, because you have to clean up those fractional exponents a little bit. So the question you have to ask yourself, what's 6 divided by 3, which is going to be a to the 2nd power. And if you don't know, put it in the calculator. So alpha y equals fraction. Oh, I'll clear all that up. Alpha y alpha y equals first one, and then what was it, 6 over 3, which you get 2. And then for the b, you put it in the calculator. 9 divided by 3, so I'm going to put alpha y equals, hit the first one, 9 over 3, so it's 9, go to the bottom, 3, which will give you 3. There's nothing to do anything to the bottom, so it's going to be negative 4. And that's it.